Hey guys, it's Sarah Taylor. So I'm just kind of experimenting more with this technique. That's a white base coat and a nice 24 karat gold. That's the same green, gold, and copper that I used in my inspiration series, and that is a nice pink. That's Charbon Indigo, and I mixed in a little bit of white to soften it down a bit. And then that is my quinacridone violet mixed with golden fluid copper, and then that is the Charbon Indigo at full strength. Today I'm using Amsterdam mix cell activator, and I've got my tools there. I'm going to use the black for this particular pair that I'm doing. I've kind of got something in my head here with this technique. It's not a new technique. This is considered a bloom swipe is what it would be. It is Sheely Art inspired. And, you know, Sheely, she kind of came up with this and she did a bunch of classes, and there's a lot of people that draw knowledge from her teachings, and it's turned into quite a beautiful community of artists that all share information. And yeah, so I've been poking around for a while, interested. I tried to do some bloom paintings a couple years ago and didn't have much luck. So I'm intrigued with it. It's just much different consistency of paint than what I usually use. However, I'm sort of applying the same philosophy as far as composition and color theory and things like that. So hoping to, you know, put my own little mark on these using these really brilliant recipes. Yeah, so that's the gold and the violet and that green gold copper mix. I really love adding copper into different paint. It kind of just makes it more interesting. Golden fluids copper, iridescent copper especially, is really a beautiful paint. And then I'm going to swipe over and give her a spin and see what we come up with here. I'm actually recording this. I've done a few more paintings since, and I really love the direction this is going. I would consider these probably more test canvases. I did finish them professionally. You know, they're varnished. They're beautiful. They're beautifully finished. So they'll be for sale. And yeah, just really some interesting results, just kind of playing around with the color and the composition with this technique. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you like my art, please subscribe. That's a really great way to support me and my channel. And really, you're just offering me support by being here. So thank you for being with me. I really, really appreciate it. I'm going to do a second painting with pretty much the same, it is the same color palette. So yeah, just, I hope you enjoy this. I hope it's relaxing, and more coming with this technique. I'm going to do some bigger canvases as well. All right, guys, have a really beautiful day and take great care. Okay, bye. Hi again. I just want to also mention where I sort of drew inspiration for this technique is I just did a inspiration series with Nikki D Art, and she kind of got me interested in going on this technique. But there's a lot of really wonderful artists that do this. It's a Winterstrom Art, on Instagram, and I also really like, she's kind of a newer channel. Her name's Jody. And I'll put the link to her channel as well. So those are definitely some artists that inspired me on this beautiful technique. All right. Thanks and take care.